lunch kami. We are on our way to our cooking class. Day 1. This is actually human. Ayan. It's a wow. Hi!
Welcome, pasok!
Thank you very much. Welcome back again นะคะ
Yes.
Okay, you come.
Bye.
Bye ค่ะ
Hey guys, welcome to Nash Nish Vlogs. I'm Nish, and unfortunately, as you can see, my sister's not here. Nash isn't here. I'm actually in Bangkok, Thailand with my office mates, and my sister's back in the Philippines studying. Hey Nash, good luck, study hard. But that's not going to stop us from sharing with you what Bangkok is really made of. And well, in the end, Nash is still gonna edit the video anyway. So, here's Bangkok.
We're going to the temples today and the Chatuchak Market. Picturean dito sa lugar na to.
We are touring the Grand Palace here in Bangkok, Thailand. So nice talaga.
touring Chatuchak Market.
Market right now. And as you can see, it's so nice. It's dami talaga nangyayari. Ayan.
So we just left Chatuchak Market.
Yeah, and now we're at the shopping mecca of Bangkok, which is the Siam Center.
Yeah.
So you can see there's so many designer indie boutiques here, cute shops, cute stores, cute restaurants, and everything.
Ayan.
Back on May, where we're
Sige.
gonna have our dinner.
Dinner.
Sino ba siya? Aray! Ang sakit ako'y napasok! Yes, guys, nag-away tayo. Ikaw?
Pa rin! At the airport, going back to Manila. 3 days kami nag-stay sa Thailand. Here lang. See you later, Manila.
Hi everyone! I'm back in the Philippines. I'm back here in Manila. I'm at home finally. It was such a great 3 days. Much needed vacation talaga siya. And if you missed Nash, Nash is here! Hello! Hi! Ayan. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Nash and Nish Vlogs. We have more videos to come. Thank you guys so much. Bye!